some of the pipes I took out today. And here's the house. We got a bunch of people here. The towel guy, Johnny, over there. Big trailer. There's Miguel looking for a pipe. Hey Miguel.
You puppy.
And here's the bathroom. We're gonna put a new tub over here and a new lavvy and a new toilet goes right here. So go over here. Here's where the addition is gonna be. Johnny's gonna pop that out about another 10 feet and put a bathroom and a master bedroom back here. And here's the kitchen. The kitchen was already done. We're just gonna nice thermidor stove there. Wish I had that. And then we're gonna put in a new kitchen sink. And then here's where the bathroom and washer dryer are gonna be over there. And then the backyard is very big. They're working on the backyard right now. Got tools everywhere. Job boxes. Cut down a tree. Nice little hut tub. Got amigos back there cutting it down. That's the wood pile from the day. And one thing they're keeping is this nice, beautiful redwood tree. So,